What is up, YouTube? We are back with another installment of some product opening. Today we've got something a little bit different. We have got some hobby pack openings. We've got 3 packs of Topps 2010 hobby packs. We've got 3 packs of the 2011 Panini Gridiron Gear. 3 hobby packs of those, and we've got some Prestige 2015 looking for next day signatures. 3 hobbies of those as well. It's going to be a nice quick video. I think we'll start with 2010. I'll work our way through the years. It's always nice to open something a little bit different. Nice simple looking cards. Heath Miller for the Steelers. James Laurinaitis for the Rams. Matt Ford for the Bears. And is this something? Gridiron Lineage, Randy Moss and Des Bryant. Pretty cool little insert. We've got a Tom Brady code that expired in 2011, which is a Topps Attack. Now we've got a Ted Ginn Jr. for the 49ers. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Rookie Darrell Washington for Cardinals. Darryl Sharpton for the Texans. Pretty simple cards. Nearly went for Topps Chrome, but I've got some of those coming next week, so that'll probably be a separate opening. I've got Lee Evans for the Bills. Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Matt Leinart for the Cardinals. Benjamin Watson for the Browns. Even though they're very simple cards, I do like the look of them. That's pretty cool. Ryan Matthews for San Diego Chargers. College to Pro Football picture cards. That's pretty cool. And we've bagged ourselves an auto. Michael Jenkins for the Falcons. Peak performance. Jenkins gets the big 5-0. There we go. Auto of the pack. Another Topps Attack. Brett Favre. We've got Brian Urlacher for the Bears. Peyton Manning MVP for the Colts. Got Levi Brown for the Bills rookie. So last pack of Topps 2010 hobby. I've got Darren Sharpner for the Saints. Roscoe Parrish for the Bills. Chester Taylor for the Bears. We've got an all-pro team, Kevin Williams gold. That is 412 out of 2010. And we've got another gridiron lineage, Adrian Peterson, Percy Harvin for the Vikings. Cedric Benson tops. I've got Jacksonville Jaguars. Insert. We've got Washington Redskins. Got a Linval Joseph rookie. Oh, that's nice. We've got a Rob Gronkowski rookie card. That is pretty cool. Rob Gronkowski rookie. Let's get that one put to one side. Next we are going to go with, we'll go for 2011 Gridiron Gear. So we've got Rivers, Ingram. So see what these like. Tried to get some stuff that was different from the generic sort of stuff that we normally open, your prisms and your everyday stuff. So we've got Joe Flacco for the Ravens, Sean Jackson for the Eagles, rookie orientation Leonard Hankson, wide receiver for Washington. Daquan Bowers, Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie. Got Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Donovan McNabb for the Vikings. Reggie Bush for the Dolphins. We've got a Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. Quite like the design of these. Pretty basic, but nice and clean. Not too much going on. So look, so we've got Anquan Boldin for the Ravens. Tim Tebow for the Broncos. Oh, we got an auto, a rookie auto. Jimmy Smith for the Ravens, rookie auto, and that is $2.99. Cornerback from Colorado, drafted in round 1. Jimmy Smith auto. So we're not doing too bad. 2 products to auto so far. We've got DJ Williams rookie. Peyton Manning. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Danny Amendola for the Rams. We've got Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Final pack. We've got something in this one. It looks like quite a short print. Let me just gonna make sure that we don't uncover that one. So we've got Darwin Adams, rookie for the Panthers. Keep pounding. Matt Fort for the Bears. Pierre Garcon for the Colts. Ronnie Brown for the Eagles. Pierre Thomas for the Saints. We've got Brian Urlacher for the Bears. Got Jordan Shipley for the Bengals. So we've got DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys here. And behind it, I don't know what this is. All I've saw that it was numbered, so, and it's a bit thicker. It's got a Patriots helmet. Tom Brady out of 49. Oh my God. Could you imagine if that had been an auto? Tom Brady patch. Tom Brady patch. 20 out of 49. Game worn material. Oh, wow. There we go. Not an auto. My heart was going there for a brief second. Game worn material, Tom Brady. There we go. So that, just gonna put them into a couple of sleeves. So that leaves us with Prestige 2015 Hobby. 3 packs of hopefully we can make it 3 out of 3 products and get an auto out of that one. Not done too bad. 2 autos, a Gronk rookie and a Brady game worn patch. Here we go. Last up is the Prestige 2015. These look pretty nice. Tamba Harley for the Chiefs. Alex Smith, QB. CJ Henderson for the Broncos. Andrew Hawkins for the Browns. Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. CJ Mosley for the Ravens. And we've got an MVP insert. Oh, that's pretty cool. Tom Brady, Super Bowl Heroes, 2015 Prestige. That's nice. When we lost to him in the Super Bowl. We are not getting there anytime soon. Another Patriots and Tom Brady. Tom Brady hit out of this. Sleeve him up. Tom Brady showing up. Eddie Goldman, rookie for the Bears. Kid reporter. DeMarcus Ware for the Broncos. Monty Bowl for the Broncos. Levine Tololo for the Falcons. Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals. Sam Bradford for the Eagles. Eli Manning for the Giants. We've got a Johnny Manziel die cut for the Browns. That is cool. NFL die cut. Not numbered at all, but let's get this in there. Cool looking die cut. We've got a Amari Cooper rookie card. And we're on to the last pack. So if we're getting an auto, it's going to be a bit of last pack magic at the Prestige. Manuel Sanders for the Broncos. Delaney Walker for the Titans. Julius Thomas for the Jags. Victor Cruz for the Giants. Tony Romo for the Cowgirls. Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. And we've got a road to the NFL. What's that? Road to the NFL. Melvin Gordon. Wisconsin to San Diego. They're pretty cool. That's a cool insert. And finally, we have got a Devontae Parker rookie card. So there we go. That is the hobby pack opening. Nice, quick 15-minute video. We'll just run through a couple of the cool little bits that we got out of there. So we had the Johnny Manziel Browns die cut. We had the Super Bowl Heroes Tom Brady 2015. We had the Rob Gronkowski rookie card. Very clean. We had the Michael Jenkins Peak Performance Auto. We had the Jimmy Smith rookie auto for the Ravens. And then what I briefly thought was an autograph was a game worn patch. Game worn Tom Brady patch out of 49. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out all our other videos and make sure you subscribe. In the next 4 or 5 days, there'll be another optic opening. We've got a ton of stuff coming, so there'll be 2 or 3 videos going up over the next week or 2. Thank you.